Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a picture transparent in Google Docs. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Okay, so let me just open my Google Docs and then we just need to insert a picture. So at the ribbon, you will find the insert tab. Click on that, click on image, click on upload from computer, and then you just need to simply locate as to where you have saved your image and then click on that and click on open. And now I have just added this picture. So in order to find the image options, we need to select the picture. In order to select the picture, we just need to click on it, and then you will find the image options. Click on that, and here for the image options, you will find adjustments. Click on that. Then here you will find opacity, brightness, and contrast. But in your case, this could be transparency, brightness, and contrast. So you just have to locate transparency. So in my case, I just have to locate the opacity. And then you just need to simply move this slider that will make or decrease the opacity to make the picture transparent. Okay, now for your transparency, you can increase the slider, or you can move the slider to the right in order to have the transparency effect that you like. But for opacity, we have to decrease it to make the picture transparent. And then once done, you just need to close this image options. And there you go. The picture is now transparent. Okay, so that's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.